Greetings and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, let's troubleshoot this Panasonic model R-1005. This is an AM radio. The problem of this unit, it has no sound coming from this speaker. But if I will plug a headphone, it has a sound. Now I'm going to put first the battery, and I'm going to share first, before we troubleshoot this one, the problem. I'm going to turn this on. No sound. But I have here an earphone. I'm going to plug this one. It has the sound. I'm going to unplug. No sound. Now that we know the problem, no sound on the speaker, but if we plug the earphone, it has a sound. I'm going to check first the speaker. Next, I'm going to check here. It has a small switch. We know that if we plug this earphone, the speaker turn off. If we unplug, speaker turn on. So it has a switch. But first thing I'm gonna do is to check first the speaker to isolate all the problems. Speaker, then the switch here. I'm going to open this one and let's find out. Now this is the speaker. This is the speaker terminal, the positive and the negative. I'm going to use ohmmeter and let's test this one. Now I set my ohmmeter in times 10. You can use times 1 if you like. For me, I like times 10. Now to test is just very simple. The other test probe here, the other one, tap slightly. And it will produce sound if it is a good speaker. But this one, no sound coming from the speaker. And also check the deflection. It is very high resistance. Since this is 8 ohms, in my experience, an 8 ohm speaker, when you test this one without any connection, only the speaker, it will read more or less 7 ohms. But this one, it is a very high resistance. And also, if you tap the other terminal, the other one is steady, no sound. It means this is a bad speaker. I'm going to find a speaker and let's test the good and the bad speaker. And by the way, about the switch here, no need for checking the switch. We isolate that the problem is the speaker. Now I have a new speaker, 0.5 watts, 8 ohms. The busted speaker, 0.5 watts, 8 ohms. When we test this busted speaker connected to the circuit, it has this high resistance. And now, let's test this one again because this is already detached to the circuit. Check the deflection of the needle. It has no deflection. It means this speaker is open. Maybe the coil is burnt. That's why it has no resistance. And we tap this one, no sound. Now let's check a good speaker. It has resistance and the reading almost 8 ohms. It is 7 ohms, either plus or minus. I set my multi-tester to times 10. And it has this sound when I tap this one. I'm going to select times 1 to have a louder sound of the speaker. Check this one. The busted one, no sound, no deflection. Check the needle, listen to the sound. No sound. A good speaker. Needle deflects and it has a sound. Now I'm going to solder the good speaker in the circuit and let's test the radio. Now let's test this radio. Now it has the sound. I'm going to plug this earphone. Now it will mute the speaker and the sound is in the earphone. There. I'm going to unplug. It will switch on back to speaker. Now it works. And I'm going to assemble this one, then test again. Now before I will close this one, I'm going to test again the speaker. I'm going to tap here. You can hear the sound. It means the speaker is good. Unlike on the first part of this video, speaker, no sound. This one, it has now the sound.
Naamata sa mga urban area, imbis mo ato ta sa tong bahay mo katag tubig sa karipo.
And that's all about this troubleshooting AM radio no sound. Hope this video helps and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.